Are you tired of outdated appliances that just can't keep up with your cooking needs? In 2025, wall ovens have reached a whole new level, combining sleek designs with smart features that make meal prep easier and more enjoyable. But with so many models out there, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. That's where we come in. In this video, we'll explore the best wall ovens of 2025, from cutting-edge smart ovens to powerful dual-fuel options that deliver restaurant-quality results right at home. Whether you're a casual cook or a culinary enthusiast, there's something here for everyone. We have listed the and their key features. You need to consider this to help you choose the best one for you. For more information on the product, as always, I've included a link in the description box down below, which are updated with the best prices on each product. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Now let's get started. Number 5. Cafe 30-inch Smart Single Wall Oven. The Cafe 30-inch Smart Single Wall Oven is a standout in premium kitchen appliances, combining cutting-edge technology with stunning aesthetics. Designed with a sophisticated platinum glass finish, it enhances the look of any modern kitchen. Its true European convection with direct air ensures even cooking by circulating air from the top of the oven, perfect for roasting or baking. With a 5.0 QFT capacity, it can handle anything from large family meals to intricate baking projects. The inclusion of gourmet guided cooking connects to your smart devices, guiding you through chef-inspired recipes with precise settings preloaded for each step. This model features advanced air fry technology, eliminating the need for excess oil while delivering crispy, golden results. The LED backlit knobs add a touch of elegance while offering intuitive temperature control. The self-cleaning function includes a steam option for quick, eco-friendly maintenance. Equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control and monitor the oven remotely, receiving notifications and updates via the Smart HQ app. Priced around $3,299, the Cafe oven provides a harmonious blend of luxury and practicality, making it a valuable addition to any culinary space. Number 4. GE Profile Smart Built-in Double Wall Oven. The GE Profile Smart Built-in Double Wall Oven takes versatility to the next level with its dual oven configuration, offering a total capacity of 10 QFT. Ideal for multitasking, this oven enables you to prepare multiple dishes simultaneously at different temperatures. Its no preheat air fry feature delivers healthier frying results without sacrificing flavor or texture. True European convection ensures even baking and roasting across the entire cavity, making it a baker's dream. This model stands out with its intuitive touchscreen controls and voice assistant compatibility, integrating seamlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant. The precision cooking modes simplify complex recipes by automatically adjusting temperature and time for optimal results. The sleek stainless steel design with minimalistic lines makes it a focal point in any kitchen. A self-cleaning option with steam ensures maintenance is a breeze. Retailing at approximately $3,799, the GE Profile Oven offers a high-tech, stylish solution for families and cooking enthusiasts alike. Number 3. Samsung Bespoke 30 Built-in Single Wall Oven. The Samsung Bespoke 30-inch wall oven blends innovative cooking technology with customizable design options. Its standout feature is the Flex Duo system, which divides the oven into 2 independent cooking zones, allowing simultaneous preparation of different dishes at distinct temperatures. With a generous 6.3 QFT capacity, this oven can accommodate even the largest meals, making it perfect for holiday gatherings or dinner parties. The Bespoke oven features steam cook technology, which locks in moisture for tender, juicy results, and an air fry mode for healthier meals with less oil. Wi-Fi connectivity ensures that you can control the oven remotely, while compatibility with Samsung's SmartThings app provides enhanced functionality. The oven's sleek interface includes a combination of digital and dial controls, offering a balance of style and usability. Priced at around $2,999, it's a premium choice for homeowners seeking a versatile, high-performance appliance. Number 1. GE JTS 3000 SNSS 30-inch Wall Oven. The GE JTS 3000 SNSS 30-inch wall oven is an ideal choice for homeowners seeking a blend of efficiency and reliability. With a spacious 5.0 QFT capacity, it offers ample room for cooking large meals or batch baking, making it perfect for families. The oven's true European convection system ensures even heat distribution, resulting in consistently well-cooked dishes across all racks. It also includes a temperature probe that allows for precise monitoring, so you can cook your meals to perfection without the guesswork. Additionally, the self-cleaning function comes with an innovative steam clean option, making it easier to maintain without harsh chemicals. The sleek, easy-to-use glass touch controls add a modern aesthetic while simplifying operation and upkeep. At approximately $1,798, the GE JTS 3000 SNSS provides a great balance of style, performance, and value, offering both functional features and modern design for a range of cooking needs. Its high-quality construction ensures longevity and reliability, making it an excellent investment for anyone looking for a dependable kitchen appliance. Number 2. Whirlpool 5.0Q FT Single Self-Cleaning Wall Oven. The Whirlpool 5.0Q FET Single Self-Cleaning Wall Oven delivers consistent performance with a focus on convenience and practicality. Its large 5.0Q FT capacity ensures it can handle everything from multi-layer cakes to large roasts. The frozen bake technology is a standout feature, allowing you to cook frozen meals without the need for preheating, saving precious time. This oven's self-cleaning function offers 3 cycles: light, moderate, and heavy, making maintenance simple and effective. The touch panel is designed for ease of use, featuring intuitive controls and easy-to-clean surfaces. The inclusion of Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to preheat, monitor, or adjust settings from your smartphone, adding a layer of modern convenience. With its durable stainless steel finish and a price of approximately $1,499, this Whirlpool model is perfect for budget-conscious homeowners seeking reliable performance and contemporary features.